Alright guys, today I decided to share a few ideas on how to accomplish a first birthday photo shoot at home. The first thing I made was a banner. I usually like getting mine from Target, but they happen to not have any this time around, so I decided to make my own. I pretty much gathered a few items from the Dollar Tree. I even found this apron and used the fabric to make the banner. Here I am trying to use double-sided tape. I was really trying to avoid using hot glue since Michael was around, but this ended up not working, so I do recommend using the hot glue. I was also very impressed to find gold paper at the Dollar Tree and used it to make the number 1 and the crown. Then I went ahead and traced some letters and used some poof paint to make them just a little bit more bold. Next, I worked on the ribbon banner. I actually had some wired ribbon at home and decided to use that, but I am not sure if I would recommend that to you because I did notice the ribbon looked a bit stiff and just didn't hang the way I wanted it to, so you may want to use just regular ribbon. Next, we decided to take some photos in the crib using 3 different color balloons. For this, I do recommend you having a second person helping. So I had my husband help me throw the balloons up in the air. And I just worked really hard on capturing Michael smiling. The last thing I want to share is how to make a rustic cake. So I started off by making a carrot cake, and I did make enough for 2 layers. To make a perfect even layered cake, you always want to trim off the top excess part. Next, I'm using some store-bought cream cheese frosting, and I'm going to use this to crumb coat my cake. This will ensure our last coat of frosting, which we're going to make, is not going to have any crumbs in it. So to make our frosting, we are going to need 1 cup of vegetable shortening, 1 teaspoon of clear vanilla extract, and then we're going to mix everything at a medium speed for about 10 minutes. We're looking for a very creamy consistency. Then we're going to add 2 cups of confectioner's sugar, and you do want to sift the sugar, otherwise you will end up with lumps in your frosting. So sifting is very important. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of meringue powder and 5 teaspoons of regular 2% milk. We're going to mix on low, and just remember to always scrape the bottom of your bowl. After you've got a creamy consistency, you want to add 2 more cups of sifted confectioner's sugar, and then we are going to mix again for about 10 minutes. To frost my cake, I'm going to start with a large scoop of frosting on top, and what you're going to do is you're going to work from the center out to the sides, and because we are making a rustic cake, we don't need to be so perfect. Once I have the entire cake covered, I'm going to take my spatula, press it into the cake, and lift straight up. You're just going to press in lightly here. You don't want to press too hard and damage the cake. This concludes our ideas for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like my videos, I would really appreciate if you subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you on the next video. Bye.